video for everyone. These are the combined RedStar catted downpipes, the Gen 2 catted downpipes, as well as their Resonator delete. So the car is in RS mode, and hopefully this old GoPro that I have hanging will successfully pick up the sound of the exhaust while I'm driving. As you can probably see out the front window, our latest snowstorm just hit. I'm in Colorado Springs, Colorado, and we're expecting 5 to 9 inches now. So we'll see how things look tomorrow. But I figured I would do this video for everybody else. If you can see my dash, yes, I do have a tire pressure warning. It popped up this morning after I rotated from front to rear when I did the Resonator deletes on the winter setup with the snow tires. So I just have to fix it first thing in the morning when the car is completely cold. Plus it's really, really cold. It's negative 14 C right now, with expected to get down below even further, probably down into negative 30 C territory today. So this is in sport. That was a little throttle get up and go. If I change it out of sport into drive, it doesn't do much when it's not in RS mode. The valve's just closed. It's in drive 7. Here is drive altogether. And it's very, very quiet. A lot of the noise you hear right now is tire noise from the older snow tires. They've got the rest of the season left on them, and they will be replaced. Before we get back on the interstate, for the errands I'm about to run, we'll put it back in RS mode, and depending on what the road looks like, we'll give it a little full throttle response. If it's too nasty looking, I'll give you just enough throttle so you can hear it. Right now we're still in drive, and what I call regular people mode. So it is completely quiet. There's no sound, there's no vibration, there's nothing. Alright, let's see what the on-ramp has to offer us. Something tells me the Porsche Panamera is going to be in my way, which is probably okay. Alright, back in RS mode. Hopefully you can hear that. Third gear. little full throttle response. Most I'm going to do on a day like today. Too many crazy people. And not exactly the weather to do it on. So I'll leave it in RS till we get off the main highway. So it's in 6th gear right now, which you can probably see from the dashboard. It does like to pop and give some good feedback when you downshift. It did that with just the downpipes, and with the non-resonator center resonators on there, it's a little more angry, but not a significant amount than what it was. Downshift to first. So hopefully that gives people an idea what it sounds like from within the car, and maybe once we get some better weather I'll take it out and play with it a little bit more, but for now that'll be the end of it.